What's up, Lisa? Why are you crying?
Mr. Kunze gave me a 6 today.
What? Another 6? How did that happen?
Sarah set me up.
I don't even know Sarah yet. Is it new?
Yes, she is new and she is evil.
How did she set you up?
She lied to me.
But that is not good. I'll talk to Mr. Kunze.
Please help me, Dad.
Don't worry, Lisa. Everything will be all right. Lisa can't get another 6. It's not her fault this time. Mr. Kunze must give her another chance. I'll convince him. Lisa is actually a lovely girl. This is Lisa's school. I'm going to Mr. Kunze's office. Hello, Mr. Kunze. Hello, Mr. Peters. But that's a surprise. What are you doing here? Lisa told me what happened. She didn't give her talk. Please give her another chance. It wasn't her fault. Whose fault was it then? Sarah's. Sarah is a great student. She hasn't done anything wrong. Lisa said that Sarah lied. I can't imagine that. How can Lisa get another chance? Only if Sarah admits her lie. I understood everything. Thank you, Mr. Kunze. I'll talk to Sarah's parents. It's the only option. This is the Reich family's house. I hope Sarah's dad is nice. Who are you and what are you doing here? Hello, Mr. Reich. I am Mr. Peters. I'm Lisa's father. And what do you want from me? I'd like to talk to you about Sarah. What do you want from my daughter? Well, my daughter Lisa got a 6 yesterday. What does Sarah have to do with it? Sarah lied to my daughter. That can't be true. Sarah is always honest. Sarah, this man is saying that you lied. Is that true?
Yes, Dad, I lied.
Why would you do that?
Because I got a 1 for it.
I understand. So you took advantage of Lisa.
Yes, Dad.
And did you achieve your goals as a result?
I have that.
Well done. That's my daughter. Excuse me? You think that's good? I'll tell Mr. Kunze everything.
No one is going to believe you.
That will have an aftermath. How does Mr. Reich find Sarah's behavior? A. Good. B. Bad. C. Neutral.